Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the Garten of Banban, and we're going to draw Stinger Flynn. All right, it's going to be super easy for beginners, so stick around to the very end. It's a very, very short video. All right, going to go over here and I'm going to draw a curve for that side of his head. I'm going to go over here to the top, keep curving, and on this side, keep curving. If you're a fan of the Garten of Banban, please hit the like button. It and I can draw more videos. I can do way more videos, way more tutorials of different characters. Or if you want to suggest one, let me know. So he's a jellyfish. So right now we're gonna go over to the bottom. Draw like a wiggly line. Repeat that pattern, kind of across the bottom here. It doesn't really matter the number of tentacles or whatever it is, not tentacles, but the number of those that you do, but just kind of make it across and it'll be fine. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna go in kind of into the eye. So I'm gonna go over here and draw a circle, and I'm gonna do it in like little chunks. If you need to do it, you can do it in chunks like the way I did it, right? You don't have to do it all in one shot. It doesn't have to be that way. Over here, circle, line, cross, and fill it out. Here, and fill out over here. Right on. I'm gonna draw a thin line underneath and a thin line on top. Just to kind of make it, like a little bit more slightly realistic, not really, right? And now we're gonna go over here and draw his tendrils. Okay, so right here I'm gonna go kind of wiggle it down. Same thing over here on this side, just wiggle it down. And I'm gonna give it a thickness. Okay, so I'm gonna try to copy that exact line. Don't forget, by the way, to subscribe and click the bell notification. I basically go over how to draw Sonic, Garten of Banban, dinosaurs, Godzilla, everything you can think of, we put on this channel, and I'm also going to start doing more tips. And I even go over iPad drawing lessons as well. So definitely hit the subscribe, click the bell notification, and yeah, curve over here. And right here, I'm just gonna kind of follow that arc right there. Same thing on this side. Like there. I'm gonna go over here now. I'm gonna go over here on this side. Another tendril, right, coming out. And I'm gonna give that some thickness as well. So right here, giving more life to those right there. Cool. Over here as well on this side. Don't forget, we have a cute drawing ebook in like it's chibi drawing ebook in the description. That's the only catch. You have to go into the description to get it. But it is an ebook on how to draw something cute, like whether something's like a big head or a small head, stuff like that. It's about proportion, right? Maybe big eyes, small mouth though. And I go over there and there's charts on what to make big and small, so that you can cutify anything you want. So go over there, take a look at that. It is very, very well worth it. It used to be something I sold, but right now it is totally free. Okay, it's a 7-page ebook. Over here, wiggle around here for one tendril. It's a 7-page ebook. It's really fast. You don't have to read it. It's just something that you look at. And then once you look at those charts, the cool part is that you know it forever, pretty much. You'll just know it. It's like, okay, cool, once you see it. Because like drawing stuff like that is really about learning what to make big and small. So definitely go check that out. If you're interested in that, go to the link below. Right here, curve. Giving some life to the tendrils on that side as well. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve right here around this corner. Cool. Because you want 2 of them up, right? and then down over here. All right, same thing on this side. So curve over here on the corner. Over here, kind of curving. And right there. So there you go for the most part. Let's add a little bit of extra stuff, okay? We want to give it some depth. So I'm going to draw a little bit of dark right here, so that to give him some kind of volume. I'm going to fill it out. Just kind of put like another little pattern of dark underneath. There, maybe along the edge on this side as well, because what it does is it gives it like some volume, right? Like you got some stuff. Now lastly, I'm gonna kind of go through and I might actually give this the outer edge. No, I'm not gonna do that. I might give it a little bit of a thicker line here around the edges as well, just to kind of, you know, keep it a little bit more in line. But you can also add some details now. Everything is like extra at this point, so you can go right here and line. You can go a line right here. Maybe a little thin, like these thin lines are really detail to kind of show dimension. Over here as well. Line over here. Line over here. And let me see what else. You can kind of put this stuff everywhere, and that's the kind of cool part about this, is that you can kind of, you know, those details are kind of custom. They're yours, right? You want to throw these little notch marks around here. Very thin though, like I said, whatever you do, I recommend you do lighter so that it doesn't take over the whole design, right? You don't want to do anything too thick, because otherwise it's just going to look kind of odd. Anyways, that's pretty much it. If you have any other things to say, let me know. I want you to understand that you will get better. Have hope. This is a very fun skill to have, and you will get better the more you do this. Okay, so I want you to kind of like be cool and, you know, understand that, you know, everybody starts somewhere, and you are amazing. Okay, you are amazing as long as you know, you're pretty much amazing totally around. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. You can reach out to me anytime you want, and you can also reach out to me on anything else. Remember, we have coloring books in the description, the very top description. Take a look at those coloring books. I'll see you next time.